Today I will show you how to edit cards page on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to choose the website that you want to edit cards page for, and this is what your dashboard should look like. So on the left side of the of your dashboard, you're going to go to website, and you're going to go to pages. Now this is just to confirm that you have a page that has your cards in it. And once we go to navigation, on the home button, we should see cart on the main page. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna go to styles. Now on the styles, with the carts page opened, we are able to edit some of the things here because we can change the fonts for the page to see how the font best applies to our carts page. And we can also change the buttons, the styling of the buttons on the cards page here. And anything we do is going to affect the page. We can change the text and some of the miscellaneous. And another way to also change the cards page is to go back to pages. And on the pages, we're going to come to the bottom of the page and we're going to click on custom code. We're going to go to custom CSS. And once we right click on this page and inspect this page, you can see that this part of the page, the cards page, the ID for the cards page or the root page is SQS cart root. And we can use this SQS cart container and we can use that to create a CSS file to manipulate the page. Now that's how to edit cart page on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.